so me and Nick are en route to go get our COVID test. You can't go to St. Barth's unless you test positive with, not positive, oh God, negative, unless you test negative within 3 days of arrival to St. Barth's. So we're getting tested right now, and we have to show proof that we are negative upon entry. So we're gonna go get tested, and we're a little nervous because I know you have to like put something up your nose or something weird. But let's go get it done with.
Chin up or the other one?
You have to do both?
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay, guys, that was way more intense than I expected. It actually made me cry.
Expecting the
He
second.
did both,
Yeah,
and I was like, do you have to do both sides? Oh my God. That was absolutely miserable. All right, guys, we just did it. That was really, really bad. He went so far back. Like, did he touch our brain?
Yeah, it definitely got like gooey up there.
Ugh, oh my God, that was really, really not fun. But we completed our task. It's not fun. You definitely just don't want to just go do that for shits and gigs. It's not fun. It goes so far back. Oh my gosh. I still like I'm still thinking of it right now. It made me like cry. That was miserable, but now we wait 15 minutes. I like feel it in the back of my throat now, do you? Whatever the hell that was, I feel it in the back of my throat.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, now we wait 15 minutes for the results. We're running over to Whole Foods to do some stuff, and then we find out if we're positive or negative. I feel like I was kind of violated.
Yeah.
I feel like I was violated by a Q-tip. But yeah, 15 minutes and we get the results. Hopefully this is worth it to go to St. Barth's.
Yeah, definitely. We're negative!
We're negative!
We're going to St. Barth's!
We're going to St. Barth's, motherfuckers. Negative, and so is Nixter.
Negative vibrations, man.
So it's official, we're going to St. Barth's. We got our COVID test done within 3 days of arrival. We got our proof. We're going to St. Barth's, babe. So excited! Woo! Alright guys, we just landed in Puerto Rico, and next stop, St. Barth's. Alright, we made it. St. Barth's. Alright, we have landed in St. Barth's. It is so warm out. That flight was a little scary with the landing because it just drops down. It was kind of hard to film, but we thought it was going to be more intense than it was. But it is, they have a short runway and they have to drop down the hill. But now we are headed to the villa. Villa time! Alright, we made it to our villa. Absolutely stunning. This view is crazy. This is like the eating area. And then you come around. And this is the kitchen. This view is unreal. All right, we can come up here. Nick's in the water already. And this is our room. With our view. And nice big closet. We have a really big bathroom. And shower. Little outdoor area. And then another room, which is basically the exact same thing. This is the same thing right next door. And then a third room in here.
Perfect, that's one of my favorites. But it's fine, when you're in the island, it's all about the lagers, like the Coronas and the Caribbean lagers.
Bagatelle night! I'm reunited! So last night was what you call crazy. Day one in St. Barth's. Nick got lit. How do you feel after last night, Nick?
Great, so fun.
And now we're at Nikki Beach.
I think he actually saw us. He wrote saw you in Bagatelle. Thank you, Billy.
Et voilà les filles.
Alright guys, we made it to Nikki Beach. It's so beautiful out. The music is already starting. Nick is passed out. It is day 2. We came down to the Roc Beach and we just set up. Nick's gonna work a little. And there's a hurricane coming on Wednesday, so they might not be open here tomorrow or Wednesday. So it's gonna be intense, so we're definitely absorbing the sun while we have it. So beautiful out. Nick's work, your office isn't too bad, is it? You ain't got a bad office. And his pina colada, living life large. Right, Mama? It started pouring.
Why do they have a...
Hiding from the rain. Let's hope it passes soon.
Turn the camera around. It's beautiful, actually.
Absolutely pouring. All right, we just left the beach and now we're stopping at the local grocery store. Going to get some food.
Like drowned rats.
Yeah, we're still wet from the beach and sandy.
Sandy and rained on.
It's so nice. Bonjour. Jesus Christ! Fucking insane! Get so close! Got back from a long beach day. It started raining a little bit, but now it stopped. We're blasting music. And we are gonna go get some pizza tonight at the famous pizza spot.
Yeah.
And I don't know what I'll eat because I'm gluten-free, but I'll make it work.
About to play my song.
Is this your song?
Yeah, the Sunshine remix. Robin Schultz, baby.
It's so cool how this house is so indoor-outdoor. Like the kitchen is like basically outdoors. There's the pool. It's impossible to keep it cold though, so our rooms are freezing for the nighttime, but besides that, it's hot in here. Really? Whoa, strobe pool. Are you serious?
I think I messed it up.
Or did you break it? I think Nick just broke the pool lights, or they're just like strobing. It's a cool setting if you didn't break them.
Let's talk about the Look at the pool lights.
Look what Nick wrote on the window. Came back to my room. Look what he wrote on the door. I heart Soph. Alright, this is what they call le petit déjeuner, which is breakfast for them. And they do French bread with creme fraiche and jam. So French. And I made it for Nick this morning. Camera's a little foggy. So every morning they bring us fresh croissants and donuts and fresh French bread and some orange juice and grapefruit juice. So yummy. And they are very, very tempting. Okay, so today we are off to the beach called Shellona. It's Shell Beach, but the restaurant is called Shellona. And we're gonna go spend the day there. The hurricane hits tomorrow, so we're trying to get as much sun as possible. Nick is working, staying home. Will meet us later. And yeah, off we go to Shell Beach.
Is it like a dancing or is it
Lunchtime.
for, is it a beach club?
No,
Pasha? Pasha? No, Pasha is just...
My video again. Sold the pizza. Alright, we just sat down for some lunch. Such a beautiful day. The water is so blue here, it's crazy. Cheers! Alright, so we just left the beach, went grocery shopping, and now we are off to our friend's house to go have some drinks and watch sunset. We're on the other side of the island too. The ocean side? Oh wow, we're on the ocean side instead of the Caribbean Sea. I mean, it's all ocean, but I guess they call it the ocean side, the more rough side, the open sea, the open sea
It's
side.
probably Atlantic.
Okay, the Atlantic side.
I don't know.
Alright, so we just made it to our friend's villa. It is so stunning. We are having some wine and catching up. So beautiful tonight. The night before the storm.
Not the best. Right. Are you guys, tonight supposedly is okay though. Are you guys going out tonight for dinner or are you guys
Yeah, we have
We were doing some wine tasting today at this wine bar.
You know, you tried the first one is from Brune, this one is from Southeast, this one is from Southwest, and this one I don't
Okay, it's good. Smoke it.
and after that.
smoky.
It depends the what patch.
That's what we wait for.
But there's only one Julia. That's the problem.
This one is the yes.
All right, so we're at a little wine bar tonight, and we all ended up liking different kinds of wine. So we have 4 bottles.
Mine's from Robin, and I kept saying, thinking it was from.
We all like the different wines, so they left us with all the bottles, and we're just drinking it.
Happiness.
Oh yeah, there's
All
the
reds,
wine.
though.
A ruler, it has like a dollar. Should probably just say.
Gold
Regular?
cauliflower,
We're gonna have
guys.
red wine and then
Gold
have one glass of
cauliflower.
rosé.
Gold cauliflower. Gold.
That is pretty fucking
This smells
incredible.
amazing too.
Insane. All right, so it is hurricane day. It is pouring right now. It's not as bad as we expected it to be, honestly. But we do have the shutters and everything just to be careful. All right, guys, it is absolutely pouring. It is on its way. We've got our shutters in place for the hurricane. Hurricane is here. All right, we're closing up the shutters because it's getting bad. It's getting real windy. All right, so since it's hurricane day,
Yeah, we're cooking.
we're doing a Magnum bottle and cooking some salads
Mint,
while it pours.
rosemary, crab.
And there's nothing else to do but drink rosé, so of course we open the Magnum bottle, and we are going to maybe jump in the water later if we're brave enough. And I do not want to get electrocuted though. Yeah, for shits and giggles. I don't want to get electrocuted, but we'll see. I'm not seeing any lightning right now, so maybe we'll be fine. It's a little better right now than it was this morning, but we are praying it just passes by and doesn't ruin anything else around us. Cheers.
Juiced wine concentrate and garlic.
Wow.
And then those are your crab crumbles.
So we are doing a crab salad. This
Crab
is fresh
crumble.
crab
But-
from the island. Come up again. And then we've got our salads. We're gonna
The egg is
top
coming.
with the
So
crab.
watch. So the crab will be going around.
Yum.
Since 2016, the defenses that the company has built up.
Open it.
Oh. All right, we got lunch with a view.
The ocean is so angry.
Yeah. All right, there goes the shutters. Some langoustines for dinner. Some wine. Hurricane dinner isn't too bad.
Kind of weird to use.
That's fine.
Put it over.
That's all we got.
Ravioli. Wow. Nick is living his best life right now on the pool.
Just thinking about sleeping here tonight.
Floating away. Time to work out this morning. Alright, I just finished my workout and now I'm eating a little protein acai bowl with a view. We're off on a hike this morning to the secret waterfalls. It's a hike day. 7 a.m. and we're off. We did this hike years ago when we came here. So we're doing it again. Alright, we are hiking on the edge of a cliff right now. A little sketchy, but super gnarly, but it's so stunning. Wow. got mimosas. Nick is looking for urchins right now, see if we can actually go in or not. Did you find any?
It's hard to tell because it's all green right here. So I don't know if they're hiding.
Careful. Oh, island goats. We found island goats.
Is that a
So
ball
cute.
sack? Or?
Excuse me, Nick? What did you say about a ball sack?
Or is that the udder of the game?
Probably the udder.
Did it do that?
No, those are balls for sure. Those are balls.
No way.
Barbecuing after the hike. Got our breakfast set up. Seagull thing?
But there's a parrot back there.
There's a parrot next to your room. Hey, good morning, guys. It's a new day. My brother and his girlfriend arrived. We are headed to the beach club. Such a stunning day, of course. Every single day is like a treat. It's so beautiful. We only had one day of rain so far, so we are so happy. But we are off to Shellona Beach Club again. So let's go. All right, guys, we are at Shell Beach, and it is so beautiful. Of course, the hurricane is gone. We are enjoying ourselves. So I came here years ago, back in like 2014, and there used to be thousands more shells than there are today. But there's still quite a lot, but it's crazy how much it's changed. Apparently because of the hurricanes and everything, it takes out the shells. But I'll show you guys what it looks like. Magnum today. Happy Saturday. Right, Nick? Happy Saturday. Nick?
Yeah.
Back to Shellona. We're having some lunch. Say hi, Mom.
Hey!
Woo! No one's paying attention, but we are just sat down. And time to get some fresh food. Happy Saturday.
Wine, please. Oh. You guys like to see
Sam, did you watch my East Coast vlog?
No, I need to.
You need to watch it. Just gotta watch it.
Thanks for making this happen.
Alright, so we just headed down to the main town of St. Barths. We were walking around, having a drink on the harbor, and exploring and doing a little shopping. It has the cutest little town ever. It's honestly so adorable. It's a stunning night on the harbor. We made it down. Are you fucking kidding me?
Right.
We just made it down to sunset and we are all sitting on the harbor. Hi, Mary Kate. Guys, say hi. Nick.
Pinot's the best. That's what I'm doing.
Nick, Dad.
Pinot Noir on ice.
We drink lots of scent. Cheers. Happy Saturday.
Cheers!
What I was trying to say is red with ice is what you do when it's hot out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I remember
Tastes
that.
really
He
good.
doesn't remember that you know.
If
that
you're a French, you fuck.
If you're a
He
French.
thinks it never happened.
Yeah, it's so weird.
So the
Yeah, I
French,
usually bring my
the French are
portable
not very
steamer,
nice.
actually, but-
They came up to me and
the
said,
humidity-
"Dang, you
and the
probably should
humidity here
steam."
is
See, everyone inspect.
I mean, they're not wrong. but you
Sam,
didn't say
They're not
that
wrong,
shit.
but you don't say that to people. Got some truffle pizza tonight on the harbor.
I can't miss. Be like this woman. She's moved.
Even though we don't even eat gluten, do we, Sam?
No.
20 minutes.
But what's happening tonight?
Eating
No,
gluten.
15 minutes.
Yeah, we have to
Because
like
Baka, you're on vacay.
She's moved 2 families.
We are walking to dinner. Nick is walking with a cigar in his hand.
Where's the Thai place we had?
Only in St. Bart's, right, Mom?
Right.
Only in St. Bart's. All right, this is our dinner spot tonight. Bonito.
Guys, just get where did you sit? Here, can you around the back or get one of these ones?
Guys, this is beautiful.
Happy birthday to you!
And many more!
Blow it out! Make a wish! A wish and blow!
I like it.
It's not even her birthday.
Why'd they give us 2?
We're at the Rum Bar.
This is really Our villa here, he was making them in like a little square thing, weren't you?